Hi everyone, this is Manish and welcome back to our Hindi grammar learning series. Today we are learning one of the most essential tenses in Hindi, the present progressive tense. This tense is used to describe actions that are currently happening or are in progress at the moment of speaking. It's the equivalent of English ing form like I am eating, they are studying, she is cooking, etc. The structure is straightforward. You take the subject, add the verb root, and then the progressive participle, which is raha, rahe, and rahi, and finally the form of the verb to be, which is hona, and in present form, present tense, right? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं काम कर रहा हूँ आई एम वर्किंग, वह काम कर रही है शी इज़ वर्किंग, एंड वे काम कर रहे हैं दे आर वर्किंग. द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज चूजिंग द करेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव पार्टिसिपल, राइट? लाइक रहा, रहे और रही. दिस डिपेंड्स entirely on the gender and number of the subject. We use raha for masculine singular, rahe for masculine plural, and rahi for feminine singular and plural. This combines with the verb root and the verb to be, which is hona, and its present form. Let's see this with the verb khelna, to play. For masculine singular we use raha, masculine plural we use rahe, and for feminine singular and plural we use rahi. For example, मैं खेल रहा हूँ I am playing. वे खेल रहे हैं they are playing. वह खेल रही है she is playing. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences, right? So we use the word nahi placed right before the verb. And generally when we negate the present progressive tense, the verb to be, which is hu, ho, hai and hain, is dropped. Let's see some example sentences. लड़कियां फुटबॉल खेल रही हैं, गर्ल्स आर प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. एंड द नेगेटिव इज लड़कियां फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रही, गर्ल्स aren't playing football. There in this example, if you see, the nasalization is moved to the participle and became rahi. See few more examples. मैं कॉफ़ी पी रहा हूँ, I am drinking coffee, I am having coffee. And the negative is मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं पी रहा. The present progressive tense has three main uses, right? The first one is to express action happening at the time of speaking. For example, बारिश हो रही है, it's raining. And the second usage is to express temporary action. राहुल आजकल गिटार बजा रहा है, राहुल is playing guitar these days. And the third usage is to express planned future action. पीटर अगले महीने हिंदुस्तान जा रहा है, Peter is going to India next month. Alright, so this was our today's video, right? Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Also, if you want to learn and practice more Hindi, you can have a look of this book called Basic Practical Hindi, and the link of this book is in the description below. See you in the next class. Bye.